The two main assets of a company are the people who work in the company and the machines with which they work. That is why within Dutch Operational Excellence Consulting we crafted a Total Productive Maintenance or TPM program to implement autonomous teams, autonomous maintenance, hand in hand with the improvements of the technical department, so that the production area and the maintenance area are improved at the same time. This is to focus on the direct improvement of these two important assets. So I want to share a little story with you. My lean experience began 15 years ago, when my operational director wanted to introduce autonomous maintenance and autonomous teams. He said, "Here's a book, discover all its ins and outs and make a success out of it." And I had a lot of drive and enthusiasm to do it and make a success out of it, but honestly, I did not have a clue how to do it, only based on the book. If only I had seen a clear example of how the end result could look like, and if only someone could tell me up front what the most common mistakes and pitfalls are. Since then, my interest and passion and experience with autonomous maintenance and autonomous teams and world-class maintenance has grown ever since. So fact is that Rome was not built in one day, nor a world-class lean organization. It's a step-by-step approach starting with the foundation. So my experience is to improve a production area, it is to start with improving the production teams and the technical department at the same time. So the basic version of phase 1 of this TPM program in one focus area consists of 55 days of support as an investment. And the effects are to have a large improvement in empowerment of the people involved, an improved working environment, decrease of quality defect, decrease of cost, and a large increase of performance output. And all these effects are long-lasting. So with the training documentations, the templates, the examples, the training videos and experience you have all the tools in hand to expand it to all other areas within your business. So this program is very intuitive. It's supported with a lot of examples of situations we want to improve and show you what the desired result could be. My experience is that every company wants to improve, but they do not always know how. They are lacking a roadmap with a step-by-step approach and how it would look like in practice. With this program, it's all possible, especially because we have implemented a lot of change management tool into the program. So yes, investing in a book will cost you much less than investing in this powerful program. But the return on investment of this TPM program by Dutch Operational Excellence Consulting will be much higher. So are you ready to take the next step in a short interval? Or do you want to stay clueless as I was 15 years ago? So get in touch with us to understand more about the details of this program and what benefits it could bring for your company to improve these two main assets of your business.